Hello and welcome to Endor Model Railway. I'm Jonathan. This is how I fitted a DCC decoder to an N-gauge Dapol A1. I bought this loco in 2022, but its tooling is from 2012, so I imagine the process is the same for all production runs since then. The instructions say to simply pull the tender body away, but that didn't work for me. I found that I had to sort of roll it off, like this. There's a drive shaft from the tender to the boiler. It's designed to disconnect if it's bent too far, but I found it hard to reconnect it once it's out, so this time I kept the whole loco as level as possible. The tender body can't be lifted completely off while the drive shaft is in situ. I'll include a clip later on showing reconnection of the drive shaft, in case it does come out. There wasn't much space to work with, so I used tweezers to remove the blanking chip and to install the DCC chip. I'm not sure if there's a right way to identify which way up a DCC chip should go. I generally assume the side to which the pins are attached is the bottom. To start with, I tried a Dapol Imperium 4 6-pin decoder, but it was too tall to fit. A Dapol Imperium 5 6-pin decoder fitted. This is a 6-pin socket, so it took some patience to align the pins at this angle with the tweezers. The tender body clips back on easily. The Dapol N-gauge A4 has the same layout and mechanism. Here's how I got the drive shaft reconnected. First, look at the orientation of the thing that the shaft plugs into. The protruding parts of the shaft need to go through the gaps. I used tweezers to align the drive shaft and then pushed it in with my finger until it clicked. I found it fiddly and it took a few minutes longer than I've shown here. Once in place, it's got a fair bit of play. Next, I clipped the tender body back on and started to align the other end of the drive shaft with the thing it plugs into. I didn't get a clear recording of it, but I needed to rotate the tender end a bit to align the gaps with the protrusions on the drive shaft. It's quite easy to turn with tweezers. Gently pushing the two halves of the loco together, the drive shaft clips in.